Today I'm going to show you how to block annoying ads and pop-ups in Safari on your iPhone for free. If you're tired of opening random tabs or covering the screen with ads every time you tap something, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First of all, open your App Store like this and type AdGuard. It's so easy and free to use. Now there are other ad blockers that you can download, but most of them are paid. But this AdGuard, it has paid features, but the ad blocking in Safari feature is free. So let's get started on setting it up and installing it. Wait for it, you download it. Once it's finished installing, open the app, follow the quick setup until you get to the main screen. Yeah, this is self-explanatory. Follow. Now this, remember I told you it has paid features. This feature is look at it, it is labeled as advanced protection. Now this is going to help block complex ads such as YouTube ads in Safari and in other applications across your device, but we are focusing only on the ad blocker for Safari. Now you're going to hit this X in the top left. We like to send you notifications. Notification may include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. This can be configured in settings. Now I wouldn't want to be receiving notification from this AdGuard, so therefore I won't allow. Now that the app is installed, I will show you how to set it up in your phone so that it can communicate with Safari. You go to settings, scroll until you see Safari, navigate and enter extensions. As you can see, everything is turned off. This is how it's going to be. The default way is going to be when you download the app. You have to toggle all of them on. Toggle everything on. Toggle on. Toggle it on. Toggle it on. Toggle it on. Now AdGuard is blocking every ads that pops up when you surf the internet. It's just easy and it's safe.